Hey everybody, Patty Ann here. Hey, today I'm just going to go over how to use BX fonts. So I found this font on Designs by Juju and I have one item in my cart. So I'm going to pay with it by PayPal, and this is why I like you guys to use my links down below if you can. I get a few cents from them and it helps me be able to buy some of these things and use them for you for tutorials. A lot of people have been having trouble downloading and installing BX fonts, and it's really very easy. I'm using a Windows machine, but right now, as you can see, I'm placing my order and it's going to download to the bottom, and I have to check that box and say I've reviewed my cart, and now I'm going to view and download my order, and here it is, download. And it's going to ask me which format. Well, at first I accidentally chose PES because that's what I always get. But I want to make sure I get the BX file because that's the best one to use. So I'm going to show you if you do the PES version. I'm going to open this up so that you can see what it looks like if you get the PES version. So if I want the 3-inch, look how many files come in the 3-inch size if you're using the PES. Each one of these is an image file. There's an A, a B, and I'm going to make them large so you can see, C, D, E, and you can't use your typewriter to just get these. You have to import them as if they're images. So that's the PES, unlike if you use the BX style. So here are the BX ones, and I'm going to go ahead and extract those. And I want you to see when I click on the 3-inch files, how many things are in here in the BX type. I'm going to click on the BX and look at the 3-inch. There's one file as a 3-inch. When you double click on that, you'll think it didn't work, but double clicking automatically installs it, assuming that you've extracted it first. So what I'm doing now is I'm moving everything out of the way from the video I did just recently, and notice it says the font 3-inch has been installed. So I'll say okay. So again, this will not work unless you've extracted these first, and I can only assume those of you who are having trouble have not extracted them first. So usually in software, you have to restart your software to get it to work, but for some reason this worked automatically. So I came up to the text tool and I just came over here, made it larger, came over here to the right, and instead of being the block file, I went to the Designs by Juju, and check it out. It worked automatically like that. Again, I know in Silhouette software you must restart your program in order to get your newly installed fonts to work. But in this one, it worked just perfectly. So I did those as the 3-inch, and then I just sampled some of the other sizes to see what they're like. But again, listen. If you're finding it does not work for you, and so many of you write to me telling me that, make sure you've extracted the font, you've extracted the BX files, and used those extracted files and double clicked on them, and that'll install it just like that for you into Embrilliance. So I hope this tutorial helped. I hope that you'll check out my links down below, like I said, and if you're in the market to purchase something, please use my links because it allows me to continue making these videos for you and to purchase things that I don't necessarily need, but sometimes I need to purchase things so I can show you, okay, this is how it works step by step. Click on this, click on that. So thanks so much for joining me, as I said, and I will see you all again very soon.